Ever wanted to create a thoughtful gift in under 10 minutes? Come along and see how easy it is. Get craft and create something special. Pairs perfectly with those placements. Let's get craft. For this pattern, I use this 3mm crochet hook. First I am going to make 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to the first chain of this, and I'm going to make a ring. Now I'm going to make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and next I'm going to make 19 double crochet around the ring. Now I am in the end of the row. I had 19 double crochets and going to the top of 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. I am going to make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch, and I'm going to make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and go to the next chain, and I'm making a double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to make 2 chain. I'm going to the next chain and I make the double crochet, and I'm going to the next one. I'm going to make a double crochet, 2 double crochets. Each other again, 2 chain. Go to the next one, make double crochet, and go to the another one, make double crochet. Go like this around, and when I am here I meet with you. Now I am in the last double crochet. I am going to make 2 chain and go to the top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch. Slip stitch, and I want to go to this gap. I am going to the next chain and I make a slip stitch. Again I am going here and make a slip stitch, and go to this gap and make a slip stitch, and next 3 chain and make a shell. And how do I make a shell? I'm going to make another double crochet and 2 chain and make another double crochet, another 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, and go to the next one. I'm going to make a shell again. 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. 1, 2. 2 double crochets, and keep going like this. 2 shells here, 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 and everywhere, and I meet here. Now I'm in the last shell, and I'm going to find the top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch here. Okay, now I'm in the last row. I'm going to make a double crochet in this 2 chain gap. Not 1. I'm going to do 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets, and I'm going to this gap, not that 2 chain gap. I'm going to middle of this here, and I'm going to make a single crochet in there, and again I'm going to here and I'm making a 6 double crochets as before. 1, 6 double crochet. I'm going again middle of this middle here and make a single crochet, and keep going until here. I meet with you again. I am done now. I am in the last thing, and I am going to this gap and make a slip stitch, single crochet in that gap. Okay, I am finished now. I cut my yarn. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.